Not everyone searching for user guide software is looking for the same thing. A product marketing building a sales demo, a team manager rolling out Salesforce, and a technical writer maintaining a help center each need a different tool. This list covers the best interactive user guide creation software across different use cases, so you can find the right fit for what you're actually trying to do. The first tool in the list is Tango. Let's see what features I like the most here. And I would say that this tool is the best for use case when you're trying to teach your employees, your colleagues how to do something in different apps. Yeah, so this is the best for internal team training. And let's say I want to create some guide. I click Start Capture. I have to choose how to guide. And how does it work? Yeah, you just do something in the app, and it turns each of your clicks into specific steps with screenshots and with automatic descriptions of what you have to do. Great features I like here is the secure and leave blur. So this is specially available for healthcare, finance, accounting. Anytime you share something on the screen with sensitive data, you can click secure blur. You can choose the place where you want to blur something, and it automatically will be hidden here from anybody who will use this guide. This is a great feature. Then you can use the voice transcription. If you want to add some context, if you want to add more details in text, you just do this stuff and you simultaneously explain what you do, right? It helps you to build a more descriptive guide. So let's say I would like to show people how to filter some landing page on Google Search Console. So I created the guide, I click completed, and automatically I see the created guide in my library. So yeah, the magic happens after creating the guide. You can edit any steps, and this is especially valuable because when the software changes, you just edit one step, not the entire guide, and it helps you to spend less time on updating your user guides. Yeah, the top feature after creation is the guide me, because when people just read the Google Doc or any place when you just use text and screenshots, they always spend a lot of time trying to read the doc, go to the tab with the app and trying to do something there. Guide me feature inside Tango, you just click guide me on this page, and the person automatically get the instructions and highlights which step it has to do. And it helps just to adopt the new way to do things much faster. The next thing is that sharing and exporting is very easy. Let me show you one of the example. So any of the guides you created, you can embed on the popular platforms like Confluence, Jira, Notion, SharePoint, Zendesk, etc. And you also can turn it into the video, to make it more easy to consume for some of the users. You also can share it with anybody and pin the guide to specific buttons inside the app. So the person, when he or she uses the app, they will see some tips that if there is some difficulties in using, like try to implement this guide and you will get the answer. And also the analytics feature. It's easy to track how many times it was used, whether the people completed what they needed, and which people exactly visited yet. And also people can add comments and reactions to this guide, so you get the feedback every time somebody in your team use this, and you can improve it based on this. So this is for internal team training. The second tool is for the interactive product demos, when you want to help your customers or potential customers inside the app to understand how to use the some parts of your tools. And in this case, I recommend AirCut software. We use it for site checker. We built some of the guides, and the feature I like it. It's just it's easy to create, easy to add some styles, etc. It's easy to consume for end users, but also I like the insights features, when you see easy to understand analytics about which steps people completed, but also the audience reveal feature, where AirCut automatically enrich based on user IPs, enrich data by people who started this guide, and you can see exactly which companies do something in your app, and then you can outreach them, yeah, like based on these signals. But I saw you try this feature but didn't complete it. Maybe you need some like personal demo, etc. Yeah, so it really helps to improve your conversion rates. Yeah. The third tool is, I would say, Tango. Yeah, I didn't implement it for site checker or other SaaS, but I see it mentioned many times on the web, and based on what I see here is that there's some mix between Hotjar user analytics and amplitude, where you have the product analytics and you also see like session replay, listening, predicting, etc. like everything to help you understand what people do inside the app, and also build some tools that help them to adopt your app faster. Yeah, so it looks like a very enterprise platform with many features. So you won't see the pricing here, only demos. Yeah, so but you can test it on the free feature, on the free plan. The fourth tool is Loom. I usually don't use it too much, but I usually primarily for like speaking with my colleagues and designers about what I want to build and giving some feedback about what I like and what I don't like. But most popular use case in the marketing and sales space I saw is that when people, you can use it for lead generation, for example. Yeah, when you have a service and you want for a potential lead explain what their weaknesses they have, what a growth plan do you see for them, you can record a quick video, share with them, and this option helps you to not just explain how to something in your app, but also build some more trust, because in the age of AI slope everywhere, yeah, people want to talk with the real people. They want to see some effort you or your team made, and when you do this, it helps to like not just teach people how to use your app, but also again build trust and improve conversion rates. And the last tool is Notion. I started to use it recently. For a long time I've used Evernote as my personal knowledge base, but I see that for when I want to share some interactive guide with people about how to do something, in my case it's on Reddit or any app, and I don't want to create if I want to base where I store guides from different spaces, for example embedding Tangos, adding Loom videos, adding text and screenshots. This is a great tool that helps to structure all the guides in one place. Yeah, so it doesn't help you to record every guide. Yeah, you can create the like quite easy like text plus screenshots guide, but again, it's not enough. You need interactive guides with Tango. You need Loom videos sometimes. It just helps you to structure all the knowledge and store it one place and easily share it via links or inviting users. Yeah, much easier than Google Docs or other tools. So this is my list of 5 tools. If you know some better than I mentioned, you can add them in comments. I will glad to see them too.